Hello students, this is class third, subject GSC and date 28 4 2021. We are studying lesson 7, housing and clothing. Lesson 7, housing and clothing. In this lesson today we have to start solving worksheet 7. So worksheet 7. A. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Now first you see, a house is a place where we live safely and comfortably. So first, comfortably. First, comfortably. Now second, we have to see proper dash system is needed for taking away dirty water and other liquid wastes. So what we have to fill here? Proper drainage system. Proper drainage system. The second we have to fill drainage. Drainage. Now third, our home is the source of our happiness. So, our home is the source of our happiness. The second and in third, you have to write happiness. Happiness. And fourth, we have to see the third, our home is the source of our happiness. Now next, tight clothes hinder free movement of our growth. So this is the drawback of tight clothes. Tight clothes hinder free movement and growth. Free is written here, so we have to write here movement. And fifth, clothes absorb the sweat easily. So here we have to write about the cotton clothes. So cotton clothes absorb the sweat easily. So fifth, we have to write cotton. Cotton clothes absorb the sweat easily. Now next, after fill in the blanks, once again we have to see about the fill in the blanks. So first, a house is a place where we live safely and comfortably. Now second, proper drainage system. Proper drainage system is needed for taking away dirty water and other liquid waste. Now third, our home is the source of our happiness. Now next, fourth, tight clothes hinder free movement and growth. So fourth, we have to write movement. And fifth, cotton clothes absorb, this is cotton clothes absorb sweat very easily. So now next we have to write T for true and F for false. This is B. Write T for true and F for false. So we have to write TRF. First, a house gives us shelter and comfort. So first, a house gives us shelter and comfort. This is true. So first is true. Now second, garbage from the house should be put in an open container. But is correct? No, it is incorrect. Garbage from the house should be put in an open container. It is incorrect, but here instead of open container there should be closed container. So second is false. Second F. Now third, use the germ killer while mopping the floor. Yes, it is correct because many germs are there. So during mopping we have to use the germ killers. So third is true. The third is true. Now next, fourth, we have to see. Wear dark colored clothes in summer. Wear dark colored clothes in summer. No, it is incorrect. wear light colored clothes. Actually, dark colored clothes we should wear in the winter season, and it absorbs more heat. So during summer season we have to wear the light colored clothes. So this is incorrect. The fourth wear dark colored clothes in summer. It is incorrect. It is false. It is false. Now fifth, clothes must be washed with a good soap. It is correct. Clothes must be washed with a good soap. So this is true. Once again, we have to see the true and false. So first, a house gives us shelter and comfort. This is true. Now second, garbage from the house should be put in an open container. It is false. Now third, use a germ killer while mopping the floor. It is true. And fourth, wear dark colored clothes in summer. It is false. And fifth, clothes must be washed with a good soap. This is true. So in this way, you have to write in your notebook. Thank you. That's for today.